All right, what's going on, y'all? So, let's say you just started with a car, like you picked this is I think it's just a 6 Mustang. I think it's just called majority of lobbies got this car. Like say you wanted to just build this car. I started with the V1, Satan V1, and let's make a first pass and I'm gonna show you how you could build upon it and improve it to try to go faster. In the first pass, you just want to pay attention to what the car does, and then you can make plan your your changes ahead. So right off rip, we had a 9.8. All right. Okay, let's make some changes, right? Check the tune. So we just start with the tune. You could turn down the fuel off rip. Brakes, turn that up. Change the balance if you want to. Alright, axle ratio. The diff, we could just I don't know what they was trying to do with such a wind up diff. It's really wind up on that. What is this? The engine? Okay, I guess we could tune just the motor. I'm gonna put my suspension tune on the back of it. It's right about where I want it to be. The gearing could change. Oh boy, does this side of the park is a little bubble right in front of my screen. Crazy. That's how we burn out the clutch. Tire pressure, start a little higher. Alright, so that's all the changes just for the tune. We went a tad bit slower. I think because I made the gears longer. So since we could fix the torque, let's up this a tad bit. Just a tad bit. Not making nothing down low, so up that a tad bit. Okay. Let me adjust the gearing real quick. Gearing is probably the biggest thing. not liking gearing. First thing, need to find out what's happening with that. Why that's not pulling that car I want. Let's see what's going on with the transmission. Okay. Transmission is a regular transmission. VMP supercharger on it. Stage adjustable block. Let's just do full billet block. See what that looks like. Alright, hold on. Not done. Change. No sway wires in the front. That's interesting. Okay, so it has the wheels, but it has the wrong wheels. Okay, go fix that. Tires got to go. No, what tire that is. Okay, there we go. Alright, they're losing me with this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead out on a limb and say the trans is not cooperating. I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to swap it out. I'm about to take that VMP off. Put turbos on it, to be honest. It's not going nowhere. Can't take it off. I guess we have to do this then. Cause that bottom end is not leaving nothing. I don't know if the clutch slipping or what, but it's not going anywhere. And I turned up the final drive a lot too, like way past what it's supposed to be. I'll go a little bit higher just to see if we messing with the gears, but I think it's this. I think it's the block, really. I think it's just so detuned, it's not even funny. Okay, we went from 9s to 8s. Quick. Okay. Now we just gonna fix that wheelie one time. Okay, we already had that. We already did that. Why is it still wheeling? The bump. Let's turn that up. Bump at 10. Rebound. B24. Airborne. And come down on that. Need to come down on this. Take away some. And that should be that. Okay, we still popping a mean wheelie. Let me make sure what tire this is on. what tire this is on. Still popping a crazy wheelie. Yeah, it shouldn't be. I was understanding if it was on the street, but we not on the street. Okay, zero wheelie. Way better. Okay, let's try to fix that. What is that? Yeah, 1500. So if we could smoothen that out a little bit. Ooh, we don't have in betweens. Oh my god, bro. Okay, let's just bump it up until we just level everything out. Okay, made it worse, but we need to. I'm not excited with this car. Like it got a slipper clutch or something. We went faster, but with this current setup, like I don't think it's gonna go no faster. This block is bleeding me. Like I'm about to just put it at stop bottom in and just do it my way. Really. Okay. I just do it my way. I'm gonna shove nitrous rampant. This is not ideal, but you're gonna the multiplier. You're gonna turn it. We're gonna start off at. I have to start off at 2.5 speed. Minimum speed. Let's do 0 RPM. 22. Ooh, I think it's like 300 meter. See what that feels like. It might blow up. It might blow up. I took the wind out of it for real, but alright, I took the wind out of it down low for sure, but we could always add that back. So let's turn this down a tad bit, like 1600. Could up this a tad bit, three, like 3.5, maybe. And the rest we could get with the, so we don't blow up. So we don't blow This is so we don't blow up. See. Alright, so okay, it's coming in. It's coming in nicely, but it still don't got that down low. So we gonna have to spice it up a little bit and turn it up. Do like a 410. 410 coming in early as hell, bro. Still not. I think the ramping speed is good, but it's not. The motor is so flat, like we don't got nothing on We need that supercharger. I wish I could take it off. 'Cause I don't really need it. I'm about to. We don't need that much boost either way. We'll probably just need like a 12 pound on there. 12 pounds. Turn it down. Okay. I don't know what's going on with this. Yeah, 8s. Okay. I think we might just ditch the nitrous real quick. I don't think we need it. I think we might be able to get what we need out of just turbos. I don't think we need the nitrous really. I think if we do full billet. Alright, we're at 9-1 now. We took off damn near everything, right? We just turn up the boost. I needed to spool faster. The faster would be better. I need to spool instantaneously. I need to be up on the chip damn near immediately. Put a 90 on there. We need 12 pounds. I don't need nothing more. I should be able to pull through whatever slipper clutch or whatever the hell they got going on this damn trans. Okay, off rip, we at 8.5. Right, what we gonna do? I would love to take that damn thing off. I'd love to take the blower off because I don't need it. I think we might switch the clutch out, switch the trans out. Let's see if we could. I might do a black backflip at this point. We got converter setup. I haven't done one of these in a minute, but the recipe still works. Lockup, minimum lockup. I don't remember these, but I'm gonna leave them for now. It's 3 gears. Okay, I think 3, 2. It should be 1. 3, 2. I think this should be 2. 2, 1, 1, 5. I think that's it. Okay, know a little something. I think we need to. I don't think we have enough off the line to get it to leave. I think we need less of this, right? I think less of this. I'll be like that. We need a little bit. What number is this? Okay, just a second. See what car he's in. TRACKHAWK. I got walked by a damn TRACKHAWK. It's crazy. Oh. God damn. Shit is loud as hell. Good. Don't worry. I didn't want to do this though. I think I could get away with the turbo, bro. I just need the turbo to come on and like get the turbo to up the boost. That's right, 20 pounds. It's the converter. We don't really have nothing for the converter, really. Converter is. That shit is loud, bro. There we go. 7.8. So we just had to turn the boost up a little bit. Am I happy with where the boost is at? No. trying to run or he's not. I ain't got time for this. I'll make one more pass and then we gonna maybe start another video, see if he wanna run or what he trying to do. So hopefully this helped y'all a lot, and you know how I face these cars and how I think about how to make them better. So hopefully this was helpful. Peace.